Welcome to today's video showcasing the vibrant atmosphere of the Austin City Limits Music Festival in Austin, Texas. This renowned festival attracts thousands of enthusiastic attendees and is one of the city's most eagerly anticipated events. Boasting a delectable array of food options and performances by trending music artists, ACL promises an unforgettable experience for all. In this video, I will guide you through the bustling entrances to ACL. It is the festival's main entrance, situated off Barton Creek. After an exhilarating day at the festival, you might find yourself hungry and thirsty. This exit is advantageous because it leads to many restaurants and bars that remain open post-festival. Additionally, due to the high volume of departing festival goers, numerous pedicabs are eager to transport you to your next destination. However, dropping off passengers here can be challenging due to constant traffic, and at times, you may need to disembark a bit farther from your desired location. Securing an Uber may not be difficult when leaving the festival, but it's important to note that prices tend to surge due to the high demand. Therefore, walking a short distance from the festival grounds is a strategic move before requesting an Uber. This makes it easier for your driver to locate you, ensuring a smoother and more cost-effective journey. The first entrance near Austin High School offers festival goers a convenient entry point. Visitors must traverse the bridge over Lady Bird Lake before reaching the festival's entrance path. This is my preferred drop-off spot, as it provides ease of access and departure thanks to its proximity to Mopac. It's also a popular choice for Uber users as it allows for convenient pickups and drop-offs.
get them off people when I'm giving rides out.
Too much hate and killing going on. When I see the bare chest, Oh, no, that's